Alright, this one's going to be on Cuttlefish. It's a pretty cool program. It's basically action and meets reaction. So for example, like you set your alarm clock at 8 a.m. and it's going to ring at 8 a.m. Alright, so that's the response or the reaction here. But on your computer you can do a whole bunch of other things, so I'll give you an example here. So let's open this here and create a new one. They call this stimulus, so we're gonna create a new stimulus, or actually choose one that they have by default here. So you click on here, and you have different ones. Let me move this over here. Right. So let's say, for example, if I want to go to applications here. So when I start an application, okay, so this is our stimulus. Start an application. Now it tells us which application that we want to start or whatever. I'm gonna pick one. Let me see here. Which one should I pick? Okay, let's say leaf pad, right? So whenever I open leaf pad, it's gonna do something. And down here it tells us if you want it only the first instance. So if you open it multiple times, it's not gonna do it multiple times. Only open it the first time or the first instance of it only. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. And our reaction. So when we open LeafPad, what do we want it to do? So we go to reaction here. Then you click on the plus, and then what else we have here? Well, we can do other things like they do have pigeon status or whatever. Like let's say if you open, LeafPad, you want it to say busy or something, right? Some other stuff I don't know, but let's do something easy like application, right? So when we launch LeafPad, we want to stop an application. Let's say it that way. Click OK. Now, what application do we want to stop? So, you can choose from your list also, but let's say we have Firefox here, right? That's what it's going to do. And we'll call this, let's give it a new name like kill FF, right? That's pretty much all you got to do. And you click back and then you're done here. Now, let's say we open Firefox first. So we're using Firefox, doing our browsing, whatever, and then we want to use LeafPad. So when we open LeafPad, it should kill Firefox if it works, okay? So we open LeafPad here, and it kills Firefox instantly when this one loads up, right? So that's pretty much the program, an action meets reaction. And you can do this with, your wireless settings, you can do like time and date too if you want. So they have some other examples in here for the stimulus, like time and date, right? Some Bluetooth stuff, power management. They don't have a lot, like I said, but that's the gist of the program. You set a action and a reaction to it. So let's see what they have in the future. But right now, if you want to try it out, I don't think it's in your repositories, so you might have to do like a PPA if you're on the Ubuntu's and all that. Anyways, pretty cool program. Check it out. That's it for this one.